In the world of investing, few areas spark as much interest and debate as defense stocks. These are the shares of companies involved in the production and provision of military services and products. What truly makes them intriguing is their connection to geopolitical trends. For the next few minutes, we'll explore how these global shifts shape the long-term potential of defense stocks, making them a compelling option for some investors. To begin, let's consider the nature of geopolitical trends. These are large-scale patterns of change driven by political, economic, and social factors. Think of rising tensions between global powers, shifts in alliances, or emerging regional conflicts. Each of these can significantly impact the defense sector. Nations perceive threats, real or potential. They often respond by ramping up military spending. This is where defense stocks find their footing. Increased defense budgets directly benefit companies in this sector, often resulting in higher stock valuations. For instance, let's take a closer look at the United States, a nation with one of the largest defense budgets globally. Each year, geopolitical developments influence defense spending priorities, which in turn affects the performance of defense stocks. A recent example is the heightened focus on cybersecurity, driven by increasing cyber threats and technological advancements. Companies that specialize in cybersecurity for defense purposes have seen notable growth driven by geopolitical needs to protect national security. However, the relationship between geopolitical trends and defense stocks is not without complexities. Global policy shifts can both positively and negatively impact the sector. While rising tensions can increase defense spending, peace treaties or disarmament agreements can lead to cuts in military budgets, affecting the sector adversely. The fall of the Soviet Union, for example, led to a reduction in defense spending in the early 1990s, which influenced stock performance at that time. Investors must also consider the ethical implications of investing in defense stocks. For some, the profit potential is overshadowed by concerns over contributing to the military-industrial complex. This ethical dimension adds another layer to the already complex relationship between geopolitical trends and defense stock performance. Despite these challenges, defense stocks offer a form of stability that some other sectors may lack. Governments tend to commit to long-term defense projects, providing a predictable revenue stream for companies involved. Moreover, national security is a priority that transcends political terms, ensuring ongoing investment in the sector. Conclusion: the performance of defense stocks is intricately linked with geopolitical trends. While this connection can offer opportunities for long-term growth, it requires investors to stay informed about global affairs and their potential impacts on the military sector. By understanding the underlying geopolitical forces at play, investors can better assess the risks and rewards associated with defense stocks. As the global landscape continues to evolve, those invested in this sector will need to keep a keen eye on the horizon, ready to navigate the ever-changing tides of international relations.